This is Joe. He's responsible for maintaining and improving his company's HP IT management tools to ensure availability and performance of critical applications for the business. He monitors and manages his servers with SiteScope and the network with Network Node Manager. He uses business service management to understand the availability and performance of critical applications from an end-user perspective, and Operations Manager as a bridge to consolidate and correlate events from these and other third-party tools. He also has acquired Universal Discovery, but has not been able to deploy it because of his busy schedule. Well, he also manages the NOC team. He meets with consumers of his service on a regular basis to understand how to improve and to gain insight into upcoming projects. He's also responsible for other tools from Microsoft, Oracle, and VMware. He's managing support tickets with HP to ensure problems are being resolved in a timely manner. He also has to be available for his team as critical incidents arise. All the while, he is analyzing the data and reporting to management on the state of IT operations. What a frustrating job for Joe. Joe's boss also feels the pressure. Internal business leaders expect operations to run smoothly and to keep pace with the growth and demand. In addition, the IT budget is under scrutiny. Money has been spent on tools and resources, but the expected outcomes are still not being realized. To accomplish her mission, she needs Joe to make the best use of his tools. He already works 12 hours a day, he's short on staff, and he's overwhelmed with the demands of the business. She recognizes his struggle and wants to help. Joe and his boss have customers who are the business leaders inside the company responsible for generating revenue. And despite all the money and time Joe spent deploying the best solutions, these customers are still not happy about issues that continue to impact the flow of business. Now Joe's boss is wondering if they made the best decision, asking Joe, why haven't we seen the return on investment we expected? He knows he could be improving value, but he has more on his plate than he can handle, and he's running for help. Fortunately, Joe recently learned of a service called ValueFirst TotalCare from Whitlock. ValueFirst TotalCare is a management as a service for your HP IT management suite of products, which is delivered remotely by a team of highly skilled senior engineers with more than 40 years of HP software deployment and support consulting experience. Whitlock complements your team by managing the health and performance of your software so that you can focus on using it to support the infrastructure and application-based needs of the enterprise. Joe recognized that this experience, efficiency, and collective wisdom of the ValueFirst TotalCare team could save him time and money over managing the environment on his own, enabling his organization to get the most value out of their investment. So, he decided he was going to partner with Whitlock. And now, with the help of TotalCare, Joe can expect greater uptime and peak performance of his HP software, lower software administration and management costs when compared to hiring the necessary resources, more value of his investments that he's already made in the HP ITM software, and no more headaches related to hiring, staffing, training, or employee turnover, and a boost in employee morale now that he and his team can dedicate more time to projects as opposed to just keeping the lights on. Now that the ValueFirst TotalCare team is working with Joe, they perform product upgrades and patches in the environment as needed. They investigate and troubleshoot issues, managing support tickets to closure with HP. They take care of installations as well as routine administrative moves, adds, and changes in accordance with your own change procedures, remotely using your own secured connection. They provide regular status reports and collaborate with your team so that you not only know what's going on in your environment, but you also have a plan to best leverage your investments to make your business a success. Joe's happy that this team is also his team. Joe no longer wonders about the state of his HP environment or worries about maintaining it. As a result, he can focus on leveraging his tools to support new applications, strategic projects, growth, and improving capabilities and features of existing applications. He gets regular reports giving him a clear picture of the health and availability of his operational tools. His boss has a ValueFirst roadmap that supports the direction and investment of the software and services. She feels great about the money she's invested because the tools are doing their job providing data needed to keep operations flowing smoothly for the company. Fewer outages experienced, combined with improved application performance, equals smooth business operations and happy customers. In fact, customer satisfaction has improved so much that the business is increasing Joe's budget for next year. TotalCare is a cost-effective annually renewable subscription-based service, whether on-premise or hosted SaaS, and whether you have an existing HP environment, a new HP environment, or you need a PS alternative, TotalCare could be right for you. This offering also has flexible financing. They include a services-only option if you already own HP software, CapEx options for a direct purchase, and OpEx options to acquire the software and resources as part of a lease or a subscription service consumed annually. Let Whitlock show you how ValueFirst TotalCare can help. To learn more, check out our website or contact Brian Thomas at whitlockis.com. Schedule a ValueFirst workshop today so that we can customize a solution tailored specifically for you. We look